morning, people. So the first official day on Koh Lanta. We are gonna go see if we can go to the animal welfare and volunteer and help out some little kitties, some little dogs, and yeah. So we're gonna have a walk down, get some breakfast food, and see if we can have a good day today. So back in Sanunta for brekkie this morning, and I haven't had toast, cheese and beans in 10 weeks since I've been traveling, and I love that as a brekkie. So on the menu they had cheese toast, and I ordered beans on top of it as well, so fingers crossed they can get it right. Yes, they got the cheese inside and they got the beans as a side. Yes, they got it right. So that beans and toast was surprisingly decent. Oh, did I leave my water in there again?
Do you have water?
Did I have water with me? Oh man. Yes, I got it back. So I got my water, feeling good about that, and I had my beans on toast with cheese, and that was surprisingly amazing. So stomach is feeling good. Ain't gonna be thirsty because I got my water back. So let's get set and head to the animal welfare. Not so funny now wearing trainers, huh? Watch out. You're gonna get your feet wet? Oh. Alright. Yeah, get that stretch on. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Nessie is loving life right now.
You got some 69 business going over here, man. What the hell's going on here? Hey. Hello. Hello.
What's that one's name?
That is just wrong. That is not cool, man.
What's that?
That is not. That is not cool, man. Wow. This is great.
Really sweet dog, a bit shy but really, really nice, very playful. He likes to go for walks, he likes to play. Here we go. See? He's like, I really want to see the birds, but at the same time I'm
So
really
many.
scared. I don't really know what to do. Hello, do you know which area pumpkin spice is in?
Oh, can I go in there, please?
So, stop it. Gosh. So, this is one of our areas. So basically, our dogs here live in packs. So they are like in groups of like 2 to 6 dogs. And within those packs, they get along really well. We make sure that everybody's happy. So there's always like a top dog and like more submissive dogs and everything. Can you please stop it? No. So our dogs are basically outside all day long. So they're gonna be they just go back in the kennels at night time. So they go back at 6:30 in the evening, and at 7:30 in the morning we just put them out. So I don't know if you've been around word visiting other shelters and everything. This is a VIP shelter. Like really, the dogs are very happy. On top of that, on top of being outside all day, they get walked at least once a day. All of them, most of the time twice a day. So really nice life. Yeah, I know you. So this is Oscar. Oscar is a really sweet boy. He's been with us only a few months. Basically, Oscar was just like a stray dog on the island. He was kind of happy. He was being fed by a resort and everything, but like the resort shut down, so he had nobody to feed him anymore. So he was just roaming around the island, following people, being a pain in the neck. Just like following people, and some people were scared of him because he's a big dog, right? One day he followed somebody all the way to the shelter. We're like, hey, this is it, mate. Come on in. So he's been with us ever since. He's a really sweet dog, really playful, quite young, about 3 or 4. Really nice. This is Maggie. Maggie. Hey. Hello, I'm Maggie. Yes, so this is Maggie. Hey, you Charlie. So Maggie is about 5 months old, something like that. She came with like 2 of her sisters. So so her mom lives near the school, like in prairie area. So the mom is a stray, and like it took our dog catcher a long time to get her because she's kind of wild dog. But one day managed to catch her with the 3 puppies. So everybody came in. The mom got sterilized and got released, but we kept the puppies. And Maggie, so along with Minnie and Molly, were just living in the puppy area. Maggie, very strong character. So she was bullying her sisters a lot. She was being a bit of a, bitch. Sorry, but so we're like, okay, we need to sort you out. How do we sort puppies out when they're naughty? We put them in packs with like big, strong dogs. So we put her in that pack with Don and Oscar, the 2 black dogs, the big black dogs that you saw just before, because they're really sweet. But like when they've got enough, they're like, that's it. So we put her with them, and like she learned how to behave, and now she's a really sweet dog. Still looking for a home. And this is Lisa. Lisa came to us, like same thing, stray dog. She came for sterilization. She's so lovely, we just couldn't put her back to her. Hey Lisa. Can't believe she's still here. She's not Sorry about that before, like no. It's just Shep, like she gets excited a lot. So every time she sees dogs, she's like, oh, I need to go, I need to go. If you take her for a walk, she's the same, like for everything she's gonna see. So if she sees a dog or a cat, she's gonna bark. If she sees a butterfly, she's like, no, that's awesome, that's awesome. So yeah, she's really loud, but she's really nice, just so you know.
What's up guys, just left the animal welfare and it was awesome. So they've got a really good setup. It's free to go down there, and yeah, they take in animals all over the island and inland in Thailand as well, just to sterilize and just to give vaccinations and stuff like that, and just help out all the animals, whether they do or whether they don't have homes. So yeah, they have a really good sale. It's really, really cool. Definitely go down there if you're into cats or dogs. And yeah, it was pretty cool. So yeah, now what we're gonna do now, just got into 7-Eleven, got a toasty, gonna get some food, trying a new toasty. So we're gonna try it out and see what it tastes like. What's going on people? So fast forward maybe an hour or 2, that toasty was pretty decent. Had a carbonara toasty. So yeah, pretty nice, and I had pad thai after because I was extra hungry. Got a bottle of water, came back to the hostel, got some of my stuff ready, got my towel, and we're gonna head to the beach. Are you sure this is the right way? We're gonna get robbed. Right, let's hit some waves. wow, catching those waves were insane. They were better than Hoi An. It was so good.